Hello, good afternoon. We go to the family again of Madam to take lunch there. Okay, and that is the mother of Ellen. Okay, so now we are going. You see, we are here. Take Tali, come here, Celine, come here. Take lunch. Where we go? Take lunch, hello. Hello, how are you? We take lunch. So, nah. To the Tali, Hundali, come here. To the aunt of. We go there to the aunt of Madam. Same as usual because Sherry is not with us, so that's why. Ayan, Tali, Hundali. Just a minute kay Aitlin. Hindi pala tayo dala ng wipes. Sila aray ko! You are very heavy na kasi. Ay ko. And she is very heavy na. Okay. So, we sit with Sisi. Okay, it's make me beautiful. My hair. Same as usual. Hello, Celine. Isnaban si Sisi. Guli, happy?
Hi, snap like.
No, because I didn't put in the front. Okay, so same as usual. Oh, now it's very silent. Just the noise of the car is here. So, and Madam, she forgot the key of the car, so she is the one to go up. I need Sisi only. Oh, ayan. Same as usual to our building. Okay, Yela Guli, bye-bye. Thank you again. Shout out to all subscribers of mine, nationwide and worldwide. Thank you also. Shout out to all that you are planning pa talaga that you have a kindness or heartinly patient to watch my simple video in my YouTube channel. Again, I wish that you subscribe to me, likes and comments down below.
Camera action.
Camera action. She's doing the camera action down. Okay, Yela, bye-bye again. Bye-bye. Have a Friday day with your everything with you, family, friends, or whatever you have. Okay? And bye. Say bye-bye, Celine. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sisi. Guli, bye-bye. Bye-bye daw. Okay?